it is ENP at Ian's Room, and I am back with another unboxing video, which I haven't done in years. This is a kitchen appliance, and this is the Keurig K-2550 commercial brewing system, and this right here is the water reservoir that is sold separately. So this is a unboxing and reviewing video of what this actually looks like and how it comes factory sealed and what you will see. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to review this. Okay, so first I'm going to unbox the reservoir to show you what you will actually see inside this box. And as you can see here, I've already opened it at first just so I can see myself. It looks like this. Let's get brewing. You have some information stuff, authentic full flavor coffee house taste, information like that. And this is the brand new reservoir, and you can see it's all plastic, very good plastic sealed. It's interesting to get all the information you need. Oh, the lid comes off. The lid's right there. Okay, so this is the very nice, very sharp, brand new. This is the lid. That actually just comes off for some reason, but that's the lid. And right here, you know what's unique to it? Because this is the docking bay where the reservoir will fit inside. It attaches to the machine. Very unique to have, I think. And they even give you a screwdriver, so you can secure the unscrew and screw the dock into the kit machine. For some more information, this reservoir and the docking system is the same one that you are going to attach if you have the Keurig K-2500 or the Keurig K-2550. This is the information that came with the reservoir. This is what it looks like. This is all the information you need to know about installing the reservoir. Now here we go. I am excited to see what's inside this box. Another same kind of pamphlet and some plumbing information stuff that comes with the machine. And here it is, the machine. Nice. Wow. Here it is, brand new. All factory sealed. Wow. this is what it looks like, brand new plate, all steel. I think this part is steel here. There is your nice touch screen. It looks very intuitive. Can't wait to turn it on. And this is what I believe, this might be plastic. This feels like steel. This is your handle, which is made of plastic. A few more things here. Behind the machine. This is behind the machine. This is for descaling if you are plumbed in. Other than the reservoir, you have a USB, which is very unique. And here's your on-off switch. So and so. Here's your internal and your water reservoir as well to drain both things. Pretty unique. And there's what your funnel looks like. Interesting. There's your needle. Feels nice and sturdy, nice plastic. So this is what you will see. And here, there's supposed to be a screw. This is the screw, I believe, here that you will unattach, so you can take this out and you can put the docking in, which is unique because you can take this thing out and plug in it as well. Not like the other Keurigs that have what do you call? Okay, so now we are going to attach this docking bay to here. Here we go. It's a long screw, not bad. So, oh, there you go. There you go. Slot this into the slot and it should go well. You want to make sure that it's firm, because if we don't, we could have a leakage. You want to make sure the screw is in there firm, not too tight, but until it's tight, not really tight. That's good. Here it is. It's not as heavy as my other one is, I find. It's good. And you got room. And as you know, you can tuck it in more, so you got more room. And there's all attached. That's to a screen. There's a water reservoir, and that's basically it. And you're all set. It's a little lighter, but it's all plastic. And I think this is plastic. This is steel, I think, or it's hard to really tell. There is a puncturing plate underneath. I think it comes out. I'm not sure, but I will find out. So the reason why I purchased a commercial brewing system over a regular Keurig is because this one, if you're not plumbed in, you have a reservoir that you can fill up. This is a 110 ounce reservoir. It is 20 ounces more than the older Keurig model I had, and this is a little bit newer features. It's got some fancy stuff to it. Another plus is that it is higher temperatures than standard Keurigs that will do a 192 Fahrenheit. This one, I believe, goes up to 195, or it depends on what you are brewing. The brew over ice feature will be something to check. I think it will lower the Fahrenheit because you are brewing over ice. So that's one good thing. So right now I'm using a water Brita pitcher to filter the water, pour it into here, and then attach it to the machine, and then I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to set up, see what it does. Okay, so it's all filled up, and now I'm going to plug it in and turn it on and see what it does. This is a package seal plastic that comes off here. Hold on here. Nice. It now is going to draw water from the reservoir and fill up the internal tank. Wow. Filling hot water tank. For the very first time. Okay, now it's going to start heating. Wow. Here we go. So we insert a pod. Well, first of all, for the very first time, I'm going to do a test run to see what it does. So I'm going to open the lever. There's your control settings. And we're going to choose hot beverage here. Okay, we're going to do a 10 ounce. 10 ounce. Let's see what it does. Overall, so it is quiet. The other machine that I had is much the same. There's not much comparisons between how quiet they are. It is quiet. It's better than the newer models that they had that would make that filling sound as it's doing a scoop at a time. So this one is like my older one where it just constantly runs, and therefore you have the same feature for if you want to make it stronger. So if you want to make it stronger, it's going to slow down the water pressure, therefore that's going to allow the hot water to extract into the coffee beans inside the K-cup, and that will pour into the cup and you'll have stronger coffee. So it's a slower process if you have stronger. And here it is. Okay. Okay, let's see, it's going to heat up now. Okay. So this time I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to choose a 10 ounce because I have a 10 ounce mug. I'm going to use strong. So you're going to hear a difference in it brewing. It is going to make a slower. It'll be sound quieter. Okay. So it's a little quieter because it's using a slower process of adding water to the cup, which would be adding water to the K-cup. Therefore, your coffee will be stronger. So if you want to brew a regular cup, it will speed up the water process. If you want to brew a strong cup, it will slow down the water process as it's filling the inside of the K-cup. And there you have it. Steam. Here, this is your funnel, and you just pull it, press it down here, and it comes out. It's very similar to the original funnels for the other Keurigs, but not quite the same. So, and you just pop it back in, right here. There you go. It's time to brew your first K-cup. And I have a special one here. This one is a hot chocolate mint, and it's very good. I'm going to brew this one. There you go. Nice. I like this. It's firm. I'm going to choose a 10 ounce regular. Yeah, you can hear it because it's extracting the water. From the water at a regular speed, so it's a little bit noisier, but still overall pretty quiet. And here's where our level is right now. Interesting. Well done. There you go. Okay, so now after I did brew my first K-cup, it's been about a week now that I have able to finish the video I'm trying to make here. So right now, this is the screen, and this is the intuitive touchscreen, and here up here you have your gear icon. So you have management, and you have technician, and you have about information. You have the software version number and the model number of the coffee machine. So here we have management and we have technician. They both have separate passcodes, and I just did a search and found out what they are. I will put the picture in front of the screen here and you will see it. So it's very simple because there's a default password. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here's all your management information. You have language, you have units, ounces or milliliters, you have brew settings. That means you can have it brew 10 ounce or 12 ounce or 6 ounce by default, or add smacks. You can have it brew either strong or both. You could have it brew over ice. You can have that feature on or off. I have it on. You have screensavers. It is setting the durations of the screensavers. You have sleep settings. Now this machine can go off from 30 minutes to 8 hours. And you have intelligent auto on. That is a good feature. It uses brew patterns from when you turn the machine on and start brewing. It'll automatically adapt to that, and it'll turn it on for you when you set your brew patterns. There is no clock built into this machine, as you know. So you have brew history. That is quite the brew history from having this machine for about a week now. Mostly hot water dispensing and stuff like that. I have passcode. You can enable it or disable it, but I got enable. I think you can change the passcode. So now we have technician. Click on technician. You will see the password is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here you have brew temperature. You can go 194 Fahrenheit, 90 Celsius, all the way down to 189 Fahrenheit to 87 Celsius. You have high altitude. That is all not going to work. And high temperature, it's more set that if you are living in a high-rise building, maybe that's what it's for, I think. Filter settings. I don't know if that is for plumbed in version. Maybe it is, because there is something back here that you can take out. It is at 200 max, whatever, 0. You have do not notify. You also have error log. I have 0 error logs. So far so good, that's good. You have troubleshooter. It has inlet valve, open or closed, cold water pump. You could turn it on or off, it's either. And you have air pump. It's on or off, or right now it's either. So, and then you again have your brew history. Same information you have for your brew history. And that's pretty much it for what you'll see. After you've seen all the technical information that this machine has to offer. It is a lot more technical than a regular K-cup machine, as this is a commercial coffee maker, and yes, it is pricey. So I am going to upload this to YouTube, so those people who want to know more about this machine are going to see it in action and what it does and what it sounds like. Actually, it is a lot quieter than the other machine that I had, so that's a good thing. That's basically what you will know right now, and if you like what you see, leave me some comments or thumbs up or thumbs down and let me know how I actually did here, and thank you for viewing.